Here's how you take apart your Hummingbird feeder, this particular type, for cleaning and filling. So you can set it down and fill it. These all come off. All 8 pieces. So you have all your little flower parts, and then you have all your little pollen looking parts. And these also open for cleaning. Somehow I can't remember how. Yeah, you just pop those open for cleaning, and you can scrub them. And then it's easy to put them back together. You just pop the flowers on. Once you've cleaned it and filled it up. And pop the flowers on. And when you're cleaning it, I use a pipe cleaner to go into the little holes here, and also inside the pollen parts too sometimes. But you just pop it all on there, and you want to make sure that these are solid up against as far as they can go, otherwise they will leak. So you want to make sure to push them all on. And then you just screw the bottom back on and the lid on, and then you're ready to go hang it up again.